it's Mrs. Compton, and we're back to do a number talk. We're going to get started with 20 minus 7. I was hiding it behind my head. Okay, so 20 minus 7 is what? Okay, everybody hit pause. You're going to take your think time, and then press play when you're ready to tell me the answer. Okay, see you back here in just a second. All right, kids, on the count of 3, everybody tell me what they think 20 minus 7 is. 1, 2, 3, tell me. Did you say 13? I think I heard some 13s. Okay, I think you said 13, and I'm going to try to guess your strategy. Maybe you thought about these. So we had these in class, and we know that they're in 10 rods, right? So 2 10 rods make 20, and maybe you even already knew that if you took off 7, 3 would be left, because we know our friends of 10. We know 3 plus 7 make 10. So maybe you just thought, if I take off 7 of these, I'll have 13 left, because I'll have 1 row of 10. So 1 yellow 10 rod, and then 3 blues left. So that makes 13. Maybe you thought about it like that. Maybe you thought about it on let's try a number line. But on this number line, we're going to subtract. So we're going to start at the right-hand side. And maybe you thought about taking off 7, but maybe you thought about 7 as a 5 and 2 more. Maybe. I don't know. You've got to tell me in the comments. Okay, so maybe you did 20 minus 5. And 20 minus 5 is 15. So I'm going to circle that, because I've taken that off in my mind. And maybe you thought, okay, so I'm at 15 and I just need to take off 2 more. So 1, 2, 15, 14, 13. Maybe you thought about it like that. I don't know. You've got to tell me. Come on, kids. Tell me in the comments. All right, we're going to try out our next one. Here it is. You ready? Okay, this time we're starting with 25. And last time we started with 20. And we took off 7. And we're taking off 7 again. So kids, what will happen to our answer? Will it be more than 13? Or will it be less than 13? Show me on your thumbs. Will it be more than 13 or less than 13? All right. So if we start with 5 more and take off just 7, then we know our answer is going to have to be more than 13. All right, so we know that we're starting with 5 more, and we're taking off the same number. All right, so everybody hit pause. It's time to do your thinking. 25 minus 7 equals what? All right, kids, on the count of 3, I want you to tell me what the answer is. 1, 2, 3, tell me. Hey, did I hear 18? Okay, I'm going to guess some people will prove it this way, because you knew that 20 minus 7 was 13, and you thought about, well, if we just start with 5 more and take off the same amount, then the answer will have to be 5 more than the last one. So maybe you added 5 to 13 and got 18. That would have been a really great strategy. Or let's see, I'm trying to think of more ways you might do this. You may have decomposed the 7 into a 5 and a 2. And maybe you did 25 minus 5. And then you got 20. So you took off that 5. And now we're going to take off this 2. 1, 2. Minus 1, and you landed at 18. Maybe you did that. Or maybe you thought about the cubes in your head. I don't know. What did you do? I need kids here with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa. I guess I'll just keep the blue as 10 because 5 just broke off of this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, so maybe you thought about 25. And maybe you thought about if I take off that 5, I'll have 20. Oh, that's kind of like this one. 25. Take off that 5. Now I have the 20. And then I have to take off 2 more. And that equals 18. So altogether, I took off 7. You can kind of see it on the number line, kind of, sort of. 7 altogether. Very interesting. Okay, are you guys ready to say hi to somebody? I love saying hi to you guys. Okay, let's see who it's all about today. We're going to say hi to Mrs. Cameron's class at Pacific. Hi, Mrs. Cameron's class. And today we're going to say hi to Jake. Jake. All right. Hi, Jake. Jake loves to play baseball, so we're going to do a baseball story about Jake. All right. Jake was playing baseball in his backyard. He had baseballs. All right, can you all imagine Jake playing in his backyard? Yeah. Can you imagine him playing baseball in his backyard? He had baseballs. Okay, so we're going to find out how many baseballs he had. Oh no, the dreaded problems. He hit baseballs over the fence. I don't know about you, but my neighbor's 8 years old, and he's always hitting his baseballs over into my yard, and I'm always throwing them back. So this is like a real problem here, huh? Now we're going to try to find out how many baseballs does Jake have left. Now, that's assuming his dog Phoebe hasn't gone off and chased them and brought them back, right? So, Jake, you gotta watch Phoebe. You can't let her go get the baseballs for you and help you out in this story, okay? All right, so we're gonna read the story again, but we're gonna try it out with our just right numbers. Which one will you choose? Maybe you'll choose 21 and 6. Maybe you'll choose 51 and 16. Or maybe you'll choose 121 and 46. I don't know. You have to choose the one that feels just right to you. All right, so check this out. We're going to try it out with 21 and 6 right here. Jake was playing baseball in his backyard. He had 21 baseballs. He hit 6 baseballs over the fence. How many baseballs does Jake have left? Okay, did you imagine it in your head? Jake's playing baseball in his backyard. Okay, hi Jake. He had 21 baseballs. It's a lot of baseballs. His dad and mom must have bought him tons of toys over quarantine because they were like, we've got to have things to play with. All right, so maybe he hit 6 over the fence. And we have to figure out how many baseballs Jake has left. Okay, kids, it's up to you. You're going to go right now, check in with your teacher and see how you're supposed to turn in this work to her. See you next time. Bye.